Math 3, final benchmark, question 47. A person opens a savings account making only a one-time deposit. The expression 1,250 times 1.014 raised to the t power shows the amount of money in the account after the account has been open for t years. If the expression can be rewritten in the form $1,250 times 1 plus r raised to the 2t to show the approximate biannual interest rate, what is the approximate value of r? All right, so biannual, you can see they've added a 2 here. Biannual means 2 times per year. So if we start with 0.014, because this is 1 plus r, and our interest rate here is 0.014, and we want to know what it will be if it's biannual, which means twice a year, so it would be divided by 2. So that would be 0.007. So the answer to number 47 is A.